Good afternoon everybody, we're in Strood in Kent today working on this Ford Focus 1.6 TDCi. Called in because the client's been having constant DPF issues. Pressures weren't overly high, but the customer wanted us to do a engine clean and a DPF clean. The codes had been deleted previously when we were doing the diagnosis on this one by a mechanic, which was unfortunate. So we weren't able to do the best diagnosis, but we found out that it was DPF frequency, regeneration frequency issues that was the big problem with this one. When we started to pressurize the chemical in, we were able to see that there's actually a boost leak somewhere. So once this service is complete, we will be, or we already have recommended to the client, and he's already on the lookout. He's going to have to find someone to do a smoke test on this. We found a little bit of a leak somewhere because there's an oily gunk at the front of the engine that will need to be resolved. This boost leak is stopping the DPF regenerating properly, hence it keeps coming up with the same error for DPF frequency or regeneration frequency. So many things can cause a DPF issue. This is one of them, and you can go around in circles if you don't know what you're looking for here. So thankfully we've been able to find the problem with this one, and the client will get it resolved afterwards. This is our specialist area. We're DPF cleaners, we're engine cleaners, diagnostics and remapping. If you need our services, we're mobile across the UK. The easiest way to find us is to go to carbon-cleaning.co.uk and find your local technician. Give them a bell and speak to them about any issues you may have, or if you want a remapping service, same thing. Have a great day, guys.